Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your access card is active and assigned to you. Check the date and any issued restrictions. Once verified, approach the reader, usually at the doorframe or turnstile, and stand within the reader's range. Hold the card flat and steady, with the chip or magnetic side toward the reader. Do not jab or rotate. Keep your other hand free to press the handle or step forward immediately when the light indicates success, because hesitation can lock the mechanism. Once the reader lights respond, interpret the color cue. Green means allowed, red means denied, and blue indicates standby, so you know the next action. If the system requests a PIN or biometric, enter the PIN on the keypad within 5 to 10 seconds and follow the indicator lights. This two-factor step strengthens security. After authorization, pull or push the door decisively and proceed. Do not linger or permit tailgating, because secure areas require single-person. Finish by confirming the door closed and that your entry registered. If you see a denial, note the error code and time for reporting, because that information speeds resolution. If the reader fails once, try repositioning the card a little closer, about 1 to 2 centimeters, and keep it free of metal cases or magnets, which can interfere. If problems persist, contact security or the help desk with your ID ready so they can verify permissions and reset or replace your card promptly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.